If you're looking for a luxury vinyl that's appropriate for all grades of installation, this product is what you need. You can install it anywhere you want, above ground, on ground, or below ground. It's ideal for indoor residential use and in temperature-controlled environment. Compared to other floorings, you can install this luxury vinyl over existing concrete, tile, or wood. It also comes with an angled drop lock installation system that requires no glue, so those do-it-yourselfers can save more money and time. The Noble Oak luxury vinyl flooring has a real wood look with black color and a low gloss finish that replicates natural oak. It also has the deep texture of hardwood flooring with a gorgeous embossing for a more realistic feel and look. Aside from its aesthetic appearance, this luxury vinyl is free of harmful chemicals such as phthalate and formaldehyde. It's ASTM compliant and SCS Global Services certified. Cleaning and maintenance is not a problem with this product. It easily cleans with a dust mop or vacuum. What's cool is this flooring is safe from scratches and scuffs. It has an 8 milliliter commercial grade wear layer with a ceramic bead overlay that's guaranteed to be scratch resistant. Also, it's 100% waterproof, so you can be assured there'll be no warping, mold, or mildew. Underlayment is not necessary for this flooring. We're now down to the last two products on our list. All of the flooring we shared in this review is guaranteed to be the best in the market. So if you see anything that fits your needs, click its link in the description box and catch that item at our special offer. Please let us know if there's a product we missed in this video, or if there's another flooring option you want us to review by writing your comments below. Make sure to tap the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for more updates and to be part of our growing community. Now let's continue.